That's enough.
Hello. We are checking out a new spot. Literally gonna get hit by a car here. But yeah, we're checking out a new spot. It's called Ridley Creek. I thought there'd be some chance for a wild trout here, but apparently they're all stocked. And there's a portion of this place that is fly fishing only, and unfortunately that's the section we parked in. But I have a girlfriend with me today, and she doesn't fly fish, so we're walking to the regular fishing section, and yeah, that's where we'll start. All right, this is what we're working with. This is where we can start fishing. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I think I just saw some trout over here. May have spooked them though, coming into the water. And I don't think I can throw this very far weightless. Alright, let's see what this is. A creek chub. Little creek chub. Ouch. What about over here? What kind of fish do we have over here? Looks like a red breast sunfish. Alright, let's go down the other way. This is what I have tied on. It's just a little rubber bug of some sort. Couldn't tell you what it is, to be honest. This is what I'm using.
Oh,
Twinning indeed. Third catch of the day.
third?
Yeah. This little flow here might be good. Gonna try casting it right there. Look at this beautiful butterfly. Pretty. Under the tree. Okay, that's right over here. I think it might be a little late for stocked trout, but who knows? I'm seeing fish rise over there. I'm gonna put a tiny split shot on my line here just to have it sink slowly to the bottom where the trout are most likely hanging out. We're gonna cast it out just like this. We're just gonna let it slowly fall and then start jigging it a little bit. All of this is gonna be pretty good. Let's try casting over here to the left. All right, I think that's our first. Oh, that's not a trout, that's a creek chub or a fall fish. Might be a chub. Nah, I think that's a fall fish. Nah, I think that's a fall fish. Pretty good size. No trout yet. Try casting underneath this tree here in the shade. Oh. Take two. There you go. It's a good spot. Oh. I'm gonna hang up my line. Coach Jesse on getting a fish. You see that spot right there, babe? Cast right into that spot. And then just like after you cast, just put the bail down and let it sink to the bottom. And then you start popping it a little bit. All right, go ahead. Yep, just let it sink. And now give it a few pops.
Everything's like teeny tiny.
Yeah, things are a little smaller. Try a little further down this run here. See how it gets.
My line's messed up. It only goes a certain amount and then it stops. There's like a big knot there or something.
That's a good spot. That's a great spot. Just let it sink. Now jig it a bit. There you go. What is it though? What is it? Looks like a little creek chub or something.
Yeah.
Creek chub. I think it might be a little too late in the year for trout, but we'll find out.
Dead.
Yeah, we'll find out if there are trout here. There he goes.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming across a beautiful hole. It looks like this run over here is flowing into it, creating a nice bend. So here's a nice big hole here, but it'll be great fishing all along this section here. I'm gonna have Jesse cast a few. Cast to the left and just let it sink. Don't reel or anything like that. Just let it sink. Okay, let's try this section over here by the base of that tree. Let's try that. Here, use mine.
Use your rod?
Yeah. So just cast it out right there. Let it sink. flip that bail. And these are the little jigs I'm talking about, just like little pops like that. I thought it was a monster for a second. I was like, whoa. This hole might be shot if I have to go in there. Alright, I snagged trying to show Jesse how to cast in there and how to work the jig. So I'm retied with the trout magnet. And I'm just gonna cast it back in there. Oh, this little tree, dude. Preying on my downfall. Whoa! What you get? Sunny. Take care, buddy. Nice bright belly on this Sunny. Man, where are the trout? Oh! Now that I have a trout magnet on with an actual jig head, you cast it further into that hole, just like that. This is probably the nicest hole we came across. This one and that hole at the bend. Other than that, this place has been not the greatest. What is that? Rock bass. It's a decent sized rock bass. I'll wet my hands for him. Oh, there's a little fish right there. Probably a sunny or a rock bass. Let's see what it is. Let's see if we can get him to bite. Sunny. Nah. Pretty average size sunny. The colors are decent. He like didn't want to leave my hand.
I wouldn't want to leave your hand either.
Oh yeah? Okay. Another chub. Lots of chubs. Oh, this is a fall fish, I believe. Never mind. Oh, whoa, whoa. Quick release. He was freaking out. I suppose I would too. This looks like a chub. Or maybe a full fish. I don't know. I can't really tell the difference anymore. This is a chub. I think what I caught earlier was a fall fish. Alright. Well, yeah, that was a chub. Very greasy feeling. What is it? Let's see. Sunny. Man, I'll tell you, the fish on ultralight rods, everything feels like a monster. This guy's a little thicker than the rest, but not exactly a monster. See you, buddy. Alright, so we got rock bass, we've got sunny, we've got fall fish, multi-species day here, creek chubs, log pile. She always finds the easier routes. What the fuck was that? Alright, buddy, take care. This hole over here looks pretty good. All of this, it's a little too much in the light. That looks phenomenal. Let's cast into that. Ooh, that was a pretty significant bite there. Let's try that again. Ooh, beautiful spot. And it is a sunny. I'll wet my hands for you, little guy. I think there are other fish in there though, for sure. Not just sunny. And that first bite I had did not look like a sunny, so good spot. Rock bass, maybe? Yeah, rock bass. Are there trout in there? I'm willing to give it a few more tries. Tiniest little sunny. Man, it looked so good. Wow, this guy is so small. Try not to get caught next time, buddy. More sunnies. Gotta appreciate the sunnies, guys. Could be out here catching nothing. Water's a little colder over here. Just little fall fish here. I believe that's a fall fish. It doesn't look like a chub. Thanks for playing, little guy. Whoops. Easy. Or maybe they're creek chubs, I don't know. Sunnies for days. It's not a sunny, it's a rock bass. Here you go, buddy. Alright, ladies and gents, that's gonna be it for me today. This place was troutless, probably way too late in the year. But we got on some fish and it was fun. Yeah, so see you guys next time, and stay thick and juicy.